Welcome, today in front of me Oukitel K13 Pro, and I'll show you how to remove SIM pin from SIM card on this device. So let us first enter the PIN code to activate the SIM card, and after that we should open the settings application and then scroll down to the security and location, then scroll a little bit down, tap to advanced, and here tap to SIM card lock. Now just to remove SIM pin from SIM card, click only once on the switcher, and now let's enter the currently PIN code. In my case that's from 1 to 4, and then just tap to OK, and that's it. Now we just successfully removed SIM pin from our device SIM card. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.